Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be reviewing and swatching the Maybelline Superstay Matte Inks, and I have 9 of them right here with me. 7 of these are from the normal Superstay range and 2 of them are from their new coffee collection. So these normal ones have white caps and the coffee collection ones have brown caps over here. एंड अगर मैं क्वालिटी की बात करूँ तो इट्स सुपर लॉन्ग स्टेइंग. Maybelline claims 16 hours of long stay and I would give a thumbs up to that because I completely agree. These are impossible to take off. However, this also concerns me कि इन्होंने कितने केमिकल्स इसमें यूज़ किए होंगे to ensure this long stay. And अगर मैं फॉर्मूला की बात करूँ, I'm not gonna lie because this is my honest review. These make your lips dry because they are matte. And अभी तक I haven't come across any such liquid matte lipsticks जो आपके lips को dry ना करती हो, but it's manageable dry. They do not get very chappy. So personally I don't like the formula that much. But अगर price की बात करें तो they cost 650 rupees and sale पे ये आराम से आपको 455 की मिल जाएगी. नायका पे सेल चलती रहती है Maybelline पे, which I feel is a pretty good deal considering the long stay of these lip shades and also the variety of shades available. So इसमें majorly reds and pinks and nude shades मिलेंगे, nude brown shades आपको मिलेंगे, which I feel are really pretty and 455 is a good deal for that. Long stay की बात करें तो these are also transfer proof and they do not transfer very easily. Okay, so I'll do a little transfer test to show you कि these are non-transferable. Even if I rub my fingers on my lips, तो they won't transfer. अगर आप खाना या कुछ भी पीते हो तो भी ये transfer नहीं होंगे and I assure you that it's completely non-transferable. So this comes with an arrow applicator and इससे it becomes very easy to apply and glide the lipsticks. अगर मैं इनकी पैकेजिंग की बात करूँ तो we don't need to open the lipsticks to see the shade. जो lipstick body है, it has the same color as the lipstick, so it becomes very convenient to search the lipstick. Another proof that these lipsticks are absolutely impossible to take off. I am taking cotton and some micellar water here and as you can see I literally have to rub my lips ताकि lipstick बाहर आ जाए. Now अगर आपको किसी event पे जाना है which is day long, these lipsticks are really good, but अगर आपको कुछ ही घंटों के लिए जाना है तो I don't think कि ये lipsticks आपको prefer करनी चाहिए because then it will be very difficult to take these off. So these are super long staying as the name suggests. So the first shade that I have here is 20 Ambitious. Now this is a very fiery and spicy red shade. I feel कि newly wedded ladies के लिए ये बहुत सही है. I don't wear red shades that much, but this one is so hot. This is a very beautiful shade to wear to a special occasion. And जो ये red shade है, I feel it will suit all skin tones very beautifully. Next I have 117 Groundbreaker. Now this is almost same as the previous shade, but it has a little hint of brown to it. So it's like a mixture of red and brown. A very beautiful shade. I feel this shade would also suit all skin tones. And yes, this one is Groundbreaker for you. Next up I have 165 Successful. Now this is a very beautiful pink shade with a hint of purple. I feel कि ये shade बहुत ही unique है. I have not seen a lot of people wearing this shade, but it's such a beautiful shade. You can see how beautifully it's complementing my yellow sweater. It looks very pretty on fair skin tones, and I feel it's more of a day shade. It would look more beautiful when you wear it during the day. Now next up I have 120 Artist. It's a beautiful dark pink magenta shade. It's so pretty. It's a day shade as well as a night shade. I feel कि occasionally आप use कर सकते हो when you have to go to a party or a function. It's so beautiful, and again this one is complementing my yellow sweater so beautifully. So yes, this is one of my favorite dark pink shades from this collection. Next up, I have 170 Initiator. Now, this is such a beautiful, subtle nude pink shade. This is a shade that you can wear during the day, and it's an everyday shade. तो आप daily इसको पहन सकते हो if you are going to your office or colleges. And I feel this is a very romantic shade. So even if you are wearing it to a date, you would look very, very pretty. Next up, I have 155 Pathfinder. It is such a pretty girly shade. This is one of the most typical pinks that a girl can have. It looks very, very beautiful. Can be worn subha, din mein, sham ko, raat mein, kabhi bhi. It's such a pretty shade. And yes, this is one of my favorite shades from their pinks collection. Now next up, I have 75 Fighter. It smells like coffee and it smells divine. I am a person who loves wearing nude brown or brown shades, and this one is my absolute favorite. It can be worn daily because I wear browns like almost daily, so this is like my daily shade, and it is a very pretty brown color. It's not from their coffee collection, but it smells like coffee. Next up, I have a shade from their coffee collection, which is 275 Mocha Inventor. Now this is one of the darkest shades I've ever used, and it literally smells like coffee. Now this one feels like you have applied Hershey's syrup on your lips. It's that dark, and I like wearing these dark shades, and these suit me also really well. So yes, this is one of my favorites from their coffee collection. Next up, I have 135 Globetrotter. Now this one is again like that rustic brown color जो मैंने आपको start में दिखाया था. Now this one is a night shade. It would look more pretty when you wear it during the night, to a cocktail party or to any other occasion, and it would suit all the skin types very beautifully because this is such a hot shade. Last but not the least, I have another one from their coffee collection, which is 270 Cocoa Connoisseur. Now this one is another one of my favorites because it's not very, very dark जैसे मैंने आपको पहले दिखाया था Mocha Inventor, but it's a brown shade and I like wearing dark brown shades. And yes, these two were from their coffee collection. It looks very, very pretty, and yes, it's long staying, so I like it very, very much. So guys, that was my review and swatches of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Inks. Do let me know in the comment section below which shade you like the most. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye!